Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Department of Mechanical Engineering. In this department, we are offering BS, Master and PhD degrees in Mechanical Engineering. But our degrees are not just conventional mechanical engineering. It includes topics related to automation, programming skills, machine learning, smart manufacturing, and robotics, which are comparable to international universities. Apart from that, our laboratories are state-of-the-art and well-equipped, and I am very confident that our equipment is better than any mechanical engineering department in Pakistan. Internationally, as per QS ranking, this department ranks among top 400 to 450 departments globally, and it is at number 3 in Pakistan. As per Times Higher Education ranking, our engineering and technology departments are among top 300 and 400 globally. At national level, our department has earned Pakistan Engineering Council's accreditation based on outcome-based education level 2, which is recognized by Washington Accord, and our degree is equally recognized globally by all the countries who follow Washington Accord's policy. This department was established in 2018. Currently, we are just 6 years old. In this department, we have foreign qualified faculty members, and our students are also participating in national and international events. Recently, our students have won some awards at national and international levels. We have professional international societies at this department, like we have a student chapter of American Society of Mechanical Engineers. Recently, we have earned the Most Active Section Award from ASME International. Similarly, we have ASHRAE chapter here, American Society for Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers. So our students are in touch with the global community, and we are participating in all kinds of national and international events. The application of mechanical engineering is everywhere around us, starting from a needle to the aeroplane. Everything and every product involves mechanical engineering. So I encourage all the prospective students, think about it, to do your research and choose your degree carefully. If you need any kind of assistance regarding your career, we, the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, are ready to assist you anytime. You may visit us anytime. You may contact through email. You may contact through calls or WhatsApp. Thank you.